Cirrus 283 Delta Delta, Airbase 4 with Whiskey, looking for VFR departure northeast, please. Cirrus 283 Delta Delta, Bowman ground, roger, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, maintain outside of Class Charlie airspace and give way to the extra aircraft that's going to be on Alpha. They're currently on Delta. All right, roger that, 24, taxi via Alpha, and we'll stay clear of Class Charlie, and we'll get away to the traffic for 283 Delta Delta.
Think about the days when simple melodies would unify. Do you remember? Do you remember? Songs of hope and expressions of love.
Bowman Tower 283 Delta Delta, 24 ready for departure.
November 283 Delta Delta, Bowman Tower, runway 24 clear for takeoff, right turn, overfly 6 Mile Island.
Alright, 24 clear for takeoff, right turn, overfly 6 Mile Island, 3 Delta Delta.
November 7-2 November, the traffic's off your left by about 2 miles if you want to start making your left turn for final.
Okay, 7-2 November, making left turn for final.
Remember? Finding my peace from the pain of this life, caught in the rhythms of a sweet escape. I do remember. I do remember. I miss the times where we used to freely dance as a harmonious union. We stood strong. I do remember. I do remember. Can we go back to the days when the music took us higher? Let's go back to that special place. If you're with me, let me hear you sing. Let me hear you sing. We do remember. We do remember. Let me hear you sing. Let me hear you sing. We do remember. We do remember. We have found our way. It's a brand new day, and we'll be making history. Are you with me? Won't you stay? We have come so far. This is who we are.
Slow approach, Cirrus 283 Delta Delta with request.
3 Delta Delta, Louisville approach, altimeter 2968, remain outside Louisville, Class Charlie airspace, their request.
2968, and we stay clear of Class Charlie. Yeah, we're just about like 12 miles east of Bowman, and we're looking to pick up IFR to Lexington at 5,000.
And 3 Delta Delta, just say your full call sign for me, please.
Cirrus 283 Delta Delta.
Roger, stand by.
Standing by. 3 Delta Delta.
T-Mon 6120, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descent 4,000 feet, Mont 6120.
And 3 Delta Delta, just check your transponder on, please.
Check the transponder, 3 Delta Delta.
Mr. 3 Delta Delta, go ahead and ident for me. I'm not receiving you on my radar.
We never got assigned a squawk code 3 Delta Delta.
Number 3 Delta Delta, squawk 0134.
0134, 3 Delta Delta.
And number 3 Delta Delta, have you about 7 miles northeast of the wave 3 antennas. Advise you turn southeastbound.
Turn southeastbound, 3 Delta Delta.
Streetcar 5851, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Brickyard 5851.
Piedmont 6120, turn left heading 260, descend maintain 3000.
Left 260, descend 3000, Piedmont 6120.
Number 3 Delta Delta, just to verify that you wanted to go direct Lexington. Looks like you were headed towards Cincinnati.
Yes, sir, we want to go direct Lexington, 3 Delta Delta.
You want to go at 5,000 or 3,000?
5,000, please, in favor for 3 Delta Delta.
Sure, 3 Delta Delta, climb maintain 5,000. Once again, Louisville, September 968.
968, 5,000 for 3 Delta Delta.
Running the race, we'll take our chance and seize the moment. Hold on tight and don't let go of all your hopes and dreams that light the way.
There's 3 Delta Delta, contact Lexington approach 120.15, 2015, great day.
Alright, 2015, great day to you, for 3 Delta Delta.
Brickyard 5851, contact tower 124.
Approach Cirrus 283 Delta Delta 5,000.
Cirrus 283 Delta Delta, Lexington approach, Lexington altimeter 2971, ATIS Alpha is current at Lexington, wind 210 at 14.
We'll see what we were born to be. We are heroes and dreamers. We are restless believers, stronger than ever. Never say never. Don't look back now. Don't look back now.
Cirrus 3 Delta Delta, turn right heading 130.
130, 3 Delta Delta.
Delta 2403, Lexington. Roger, I'll have a time for you here in just a moment.
3 miles from bridle, turn left heading 250, maintain 3,200 till established on the low fly zero, cleared ILS runway 22 approach.
350, 3200 till established, cleared for the ILS, 22 jet share 803.
Heading 250 to intercept.
250 to join jet share 803.
Cirrus 3 Delta Delta, turn right heading 200 and intercept 22 localizer, descend and maintain 3,200.
200 down 3,000. To intercept the localizer for 3 Delta Delta.
3 Delta Delta, descend and maintain 3,200.
3,200, 3 Delta Delta.